Destiny Estimator supports both crew with productivity and unit price-based estimating. Further, many of our customers will utilize assemblies when building an estimate. During the implementation of Destiny Estimator, the Beck Technology Services team will build unique assemblies based on your company's workflows. Typical assemblies can be set up to support both detailed self-perform type estimating and higher-level sub-based estimating. To achieve this, our assemblies often start with a question around the level of detail associated with the line items added to the estimate. As questions are answered during the use of an assembly, the line items to be added into the estimate are displayed below the questions. The questions and any follow-up questions that introduce line items into the estimate are controlled by you and our team during the implementation phase. Our assemblies can be given a total price, and the unit prices of each of the line items can be back calculated based on their original contribution to the assembly price. While assemblies can add enormous productivity gains and also provide a great teaching tool for novice estimators, they're not required, and as such they are custom designed to meet the needs of each customer.